Hey there, fellow fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on an incredible journey towards a healthier and fitter version of yourself? If the answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. In this captivating video, we'll unveil the secrets to kickstart your fitness journey and transform your body like never before. Now I know what you're thinking. Getting fit sounds challenging, time-consuming, and maybe even a little intimidating. But fear not, my friend, because today we're going to make it easy for beginners like you. We'll break down the barriers, simplify the process, and provide you with the exact steps to achieve your fitness goals. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me share a jaw-dropping fact with you. Did you know that regular physical activity can increase your lifespan by up to 7.2 years? That's right. By committing to a fitness routine, you can potentially add more than 7 years to your life. Now, if that doesn't get you excited about starting your fitness journey, I don't know what will. Here's the best part. You don't need fancy equipment or a costly gym membership to get started. With just a few simple exercises and a positive mindset, you can begin transforming your body today, right in the comfort of your own home. And don't worry if you're a complete newbie to the fitness world. We'll guide you every step of the way. But wait, there's more. Did you know that engaging in regular physical activity can reduce your risk of developing chronic conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer? The statistics speak for themselves. Studies have shown that individuals who exercise regularly have a 35% lower risk of coronary heart disease and a 50% lower risk of type 2 diabetes. So not only will you look and feel better, but you'll also be safeguarding your long-term health. So, are you ready to take the plunge? Are you excited to witness the amazing transformation your body is capable of? Then keep watching, because in the next part of this video, we'll delve into the essential exercises, expert tips, and proven strategies that will help you kickstart your fitness journey and achieve the body of your dreams. Stay tuned, my friends, because this is just the beginning of an extraordinary adventure towards a healthier, stronger, and more confident you. Let's make fitness easy, enjoyable, and oh so rewarding. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single second of this life-changing video. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to beginner's fitness and achieve a stunning transformation? Excellent. Now let's dive into the specifics of our main topic. Beginner's fitness made easy. Transform your body today. When it comes to fitness, consistency is key. Did you know that just 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, can burn approximately 200-300 calories? That's like saying goodbye to that extra slice of pizza or that sugary soda you had earlier. Small changes add up, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to shedding those unwanted pounds and building a leaner, stronger physique. But what exercises should you focus on as a beginner? We've got you covered. We'll introduce you to a range of beginner-friendly exercises that target different muscle groups and boost your overall fitness. From squats and lunges to push-ups and planks, you'll learn how to perform these exercises with proper form and technique, maximizing their effectiveness and minimizing the risk of injury. Speaking of injury prevention, did you know that warming up before a workout can significantly reduce the risk of muscle strains and joint pain? It's true. Spending just a few minutes engaging in dynamic stretching or light cardio can help prepare your body for the upcoming workout, increase your range of motion, and enhance overall performance. It's a small investment of time that can yield massive rewards in terms of injury prevention and improved workout quality. Now let's address the elephant in the room: nutrition. To optimize your fitness journey, it's crucial to fuel your body with the right foods. Did you know that a balanced diet comprising lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates can provide the energy you need to power through your workouts and aid in muscle recovery? We'll share some practical tips and mouth-watering meal ideas that will support your fitness goals and keep you satisfied along the way. But hold on, folks. This is just the tip of the iceberg. In our next video, we're going to reveal the ultimate workout routine designed specifically for beginners. We'll dive into the details of sets, reps, and rest periods, guiding you through each step of the process. Trust me when I say that this next video is going to blow your mind and take your fitness journey to a whole new level. So, don't miss out on the next installment. Click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when our next video goes live. Together, we'll embark on a transformative fitness journey that will leave you feeling healthier, stronger, and more confident than ever before. Stay tuned, my friends, and get ready for an unforgettable fitness adventure. Remember,